How to update NVIDIA drivers Windows 11. In order to update NVIDIA drivers on Windows 11, you could either use Windows Update, GeForce Experience, or download and install them manually from NVIDIA website. So what you would do is, first of all, you could open up your browser if you don't have NVIDIA panel, first of all. So type in nvidia.com and this is going to take you to their official page. So you right on this page, click on download now at the bottom of the page. And once again, for the confirmation, you want to go ahead and install or click on the download button for the GeForce Game Ready driver as well. Once you've done downloading it, what next you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and open up NVIDIA panel, and there you could see an update or any sort of options that sounds familiar with the update. You want to click that out and wait for it until it is completely updated, and that is basically how you'll be able to update your NVIDIA graphic drivers in Windows 11. That is all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.